What's up everyone, my name is MarkPlante and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is MarkPlante and this is MPV Vlogs. If this is your first time on this channel, thanks for coming in and I do appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom and you'll be able to go back and take a look at all the videos that I've put up so far. If you're already a subscriber, I truly appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you hit the little bell icon next to the subscribed button, you'll get a notification anytime that I put up a new video, like this one. Just make sure if you're using a mobile device that notifications are allowed. Alright, so what we're going to do on this video here, we got a little bit of an unboxing, setup, demonstration. I've got a couple of videos that are going to come out from basically a company that I just found. They've been around for 3 years and their name is Wyze. It's their first product that they came out with, and what they're most famous for is a $20 security camera. This here is the version 2. The version 1 actually came out in October of, what was it, 2017 October, and they sold 1 million units of the version 1 in 1 year. So this is version 2, which is currently the only one available. Version 3 should be coming out in another couple of weeks, but I wanted to give it a try. I've been looking at adding some security cameras to my home, and everything that I'm looking at either needs to be hardwired into the house or is a ridiculous amount of money. You're looking at $200, $250 per camera, and I want to put 4 or 5 cameras up. I had played with the idea of using some old iPhones as cameras. They work, but the problem with them is they would need to be plugged in at all times. And the old iPhones, they're iPhone 6s, I believe, they get very warm. And it kind of made me nervous to leave the camera running with nobody home or overnight with the battery getting really warm. So that's why I decided to take a look at this. This is the first product I bought. I bought another product which is a smart scale. And I'd been looking at them for a while. The reason for a smart scale for me is I'm diabetic and I need to keep close control on my weight and a lot of other things. The smart scales that I've been looking at have been in the $120 to $150 range, and those are for the low end ones. I just picked up the Wyze scale, which connects, it'll through Bluetooth store all the information on my iPhone and push the information over to different apps that I have so that I can give them to my doctor. This was $25. So I'm going to do a video on this later. Right now we're going to do a video on the camera. So I'm not going to do a big unboxing segment because basically it's a $20 camera. You're not going to get much with it. So what I'll do is, let me break the seal open here. I'll show you what we get with it. Okay, we'll open it up, pop this off, put that down over there. This is the camera, wrapped in protective. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you get a little bit more. Okay, so this is the whole camera. Zoom in a little bit here. Basic sensor, your lens, the base. I believe the base pops open. Yeah. So it goes onto legs so that you can angle the camera. You can actually rotate the camera also. Okay, on the back here, you got a USB port, or USB and a USB-C, I think that is, USB-C. And on the bottom, I can actually put a micro SD card in here to record all of the information. Now, the Wyze camera actually connects to the cloud. Wyze offers free cloud service. It's a limited amount. They do have a premium service for a monthly fee. But for what I'm going to use it for, I'm not going to need that monthly service. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box here. Cardboard. The little box here, and this, I believe, is just going to be your power adapter. So in the box, we got the USB cable in order for charging. Okay, we have a 3M sticky, and I'll show you what that's for in a second. And we also have a charging brick. So that's it. That's what comes in the box. But the reason why we got the metal disc here is the bottom of the camera, it's magnetic. That's really good. So what you do, if you want to stick this, you stick the 3M sticky thing, for lack of a better term, onto the metal disc, stick it wherever you want it to go, and then you stick the camera onto it. Fairly easy. 20 bucks. Let's set this thing up and let's see what it can do. Alright, so I'm going to have you guys right over my shoulder here. Inside of the box came some basic instructions on what I need to do. Okay, describes the camera and 4 steps. 4 steps right there to set up the camera. So, let's follow these steps. Let's see what happens. I've already downloaded the Wyze app and created an account. Okay, so we've got the Wyze account right here. Let's open that up. Okay, I already have an account, created an account, so that should be all set. So I need to connect the camera to a power outlet. So, oh, I love you Wyze already. No twisty metal wire thing, it's an elastic band holding it on. Oh, I love you Wyze already. Alright, so let's plug this end into the power brick. And we'll plug this end into the camera. Alright, so we got the camera plugged in. See the yellow light going here? Okay. Solid yellow light means the device is powered on and initializing. Okay. Yellow and blue flashing means the connection is in progress. Flashing yellow light means that the device is ready to connect. Okay, so we got the flashing yellow, so we'll go over to step 3 here. It says press the setup button for 3 seconds and you'll hear a voice prompt. So, I believe the setup button is down here. Hold it for 3 seconds.
Ready to
Okay,
connect.
so now we go on to the Wyze device. the Wyze app. Get the new one. The Wyze Cam.
Ready to connect.
Okay. We've already plugged it in, so we'll go next. Okay, heard ready to connect, so we'll click next. Okay, we got to allow our location, so we'll go OK. We'll allow while using this app. Okay. And I need to enter the password. Yes, I hear you. We need to enter the password in for my Wi-Fi.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Okay, our QR code was scanned. It said to please wait, but I'm going to click next here. Okay, so it's connecting right now. This is probably going to take a second here.
Setup completed.
Okay, so it says that it's set up. And right now, this is going to be, I'm going to call this, I'm going to use this for my backyard. So we'll finish. Okay, and the Wyze Cam has been enhanced with premium features. Oh, that's for Cam Plus. I'm not going to do Cam Plus because I'm going to be using it for something else. Okay, so I'm agreeing to the terms and conditions. We'll go continue. Okay, these are just basically what Cam Plus offers. Okay, so we'll close that. Guess I have to. Okay, so if you want to share it so that more than one person gets notification, we'll maybe do that later. We'll set the video quality. Okay, there's new firmware available, so let's upgrade it. And we'll click upgrade. And it's going to take a couple of seconds for it to upgrade here. Alright, so the upgrade takes about 5 minutes to do. So I'm going to shut off this camera here while it's doing it, and I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, so the firmware is completely up to date. I'm at 4.9.6.199. So let's click back here, and there we go. Our camera is now working. So, not too bad. Not too shabby there. It's got a pretty good signal going. Okay. And I can record. Okay, and I have to allow access to my photos. Okay, so it is recording right now, whatever is on here. That's a pretty good picture. Okay, so we'll stop that. Okay, save to the album. We can view the playback. Oh, I didn't have a micro SD card in. Darn it. I don't think I have a micro SD card. Alright, so I'll have to do that some other time. But that works. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, I've earned a badge from Wyze Cam. Not sure what that means, but okay, so the camera is on, and it says on it backyard cam. Okay, so we got the backyard cam. We want an action for the backyard cam. Turn on motion detection and turn on notifications. So take a look. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Okay. Oops. As you Okay, by holding this, I can speak to the camera. Holding this, I can speak to the camera. Getting the feedback from it. Okay, so it is working. Let's go look at more. Alright, we're going to shut off sound because that feedback's going to kill me. So we'll go with motion tagging. Okay, we'll go to event recordings. I want to detect motion. I don't want to detect sound. Notifications. Okay, that's correct. Detection settings. Motion sensitivity. We'll leave it at that for now. Alarm settings. The smoke alarm or CO2 alarm goes off. Advanced settings. Okay. That looks all set. Everything on there. So, there, here we go. It shows when the motion was. We click on that. Okay, it was my hand moving in front of the camera there. Action fail there. Okay, there we go. You see how long it takes me to get notification there. And there it comes in. It takes about 30 seconds to get notification on it. So, alright, so this is all set now. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I am going to put this in the position where I want it to be. So I'll be back with you guys in just a second. Alright everyone, got the Wyze camera all set up. Works pretty good with motion detection. One of the problems I didn't think of is when it's at night, it actually focuses in on the screen in my window. So I'm going to have to figure something out on that, on how to get around that. But in any case, it saves to the cloud on Wyze. And from what I understand, it's up there for 14 days. So for $20, the resolution of this camera is very good. It has sound. It's worth it, really, for a cheap surveillance camera. You really can't beat it. I know that Wyze is coming out with a version 3. Was supposed to be out in December. They're kind of delayed on it right now, so I'm not sure why it's being delayed. But they have check out their website. They have quite a few products. And if anyone from Wyze is watching this, if you want to send me anything, I will do reviews on it. Yeah, for the price, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Check out Wyze. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I purchased this myself. Check it out. They've got some really nice products. So, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. My name is MarkPlante. This is MPV Vlogs. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. If you're already a subscriber, make sure you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button, and make sure you have notifications enabled so that you can get the notification. Thanks for watching. I will have a new video out real soon.